Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. I failed in some subjects in exam, but my friend passed in all. Now he is an engineer in Microsoft and I am the owner of Microsoft. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job. Because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. If you can't make it good, at least make it look good. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. I studied everything but never topped. But today the toppers of the best universities are my employees. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can do in 10 years. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. I really had a lot of dreams when I was a kid, and I think a great deal of that grew out of the fact that I had a chance to read a lot. If you give people tools, and they use their natural abilities and their curiosity, they will develop things in ways that will surprise you very much beyond what you might have expected. In terms of doing things, I take a fairly scientific approach to why things happen and how they happen. I don't know if there's a God or not. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. Life is not fair, get used to it. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. Just in terms of allocation of time resources, religion is not very efficient. There's a lot more I could be doing on a Sunday morning. DNA is like a computer program, but far more advanced than any software ever created. Airplane travel is nature's way of making you look like your passport photo. Life is not fair, get used to it. Life's not fair, get over it. Computers are great because when you're working with them you get immediate results that let you know if your program works. It's feedback you don't get from many other things. When you have money in hand, only you forget who are you. But when you do not have any money in your hand, the whole world forget who you are. It's life. In China, when you're 1 in a million, there are 1,300 people just like you. Our success has really been based on partnerships from the very beginning. Measuring programming progress by lines of code is like measuring aircraft building progress by weight. Success is a lousy teacher. It makes smart people think they can't lose. The vision is really about empowering workers, giving them all the information about what's going on so they can do a lot more than they've done in the past. I believe that if you show people the problems and you show them the solutions, they will be moved to act. I am not topper in my university, but all toppers are working in my Microsoft company. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. I will always hire a lazy person to do a hard job, because they will always find an easy way to do it. I didn't say this. Well, Steve Jobs. I think it's more like we both had this rich neighbor named Xerox and I broke into his house to steal the TV set and found out that you had already stolen it. Technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. Powerful women are either sexually voracious rulers like Catherine the Great or Elizabeth I, or treacherous bitches like Cleopatra or Helen of Troy. Like almost everyone who uses email, I receive a ton of spam every day. Much of it offers to help me get out of debt or get rich quick. It would be funny if it weren't so exciting. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. If you are born poor, then it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, then it is your mistake. Some people may call me a nerd. I claim the label with pride.